Seen it at Huntington a couple years ago. Just big block.
Really? Because I've only got bricks on my PSX is upgrading.
Definitely check him out.
He's got the He just burned his
Hi, Richard.
Did you get your car in?
Yeah, I took it in Thursday.
Yeah.
Yes, I haven't heard anything.
Okay.
He said it might be the coil,
Yeah.
and it's kind of close to the manifold. Might be heating up.
Oh.
You know. So hopefully it's something simple like that.
Yeah.
I kind of told him tune it up to how it plugs,
Right,
you know, and
right.
everything, because I ain't had none of that done in years.
64.
Did he? How's the 64 doing?
Doing fine, and I thought I'd bring the 67 today.
Oh, you did? Oh, cool. Cool. Well, I got